I attended the Sephora virtual event with Charlotte Tilbury 2 months ago, and I got my box of swag in the mail today, and I need your help. First, I'm going to show you what I got from Charlotte herself. We got the little sample of the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes. I've had some samples of this before. Love the little samples of the mascara. How cute is that? And I love the mascara. So yay! Perfect for travel pouch, perfect for makeup bag, for on the go. And I got this, which I actually just picked up this weekend while I was at Sephora. Also, I got one of each of these, so I got duplicates now, which works. You know, that's okay. You can never have too much Charlotte in the house. And what this is a little lip walk of no shame. So I have that one, but I'm not sure if I have that one in the mini size yet. Yay. But here's where you come in. I don't know what to do with these or what exactly they are. And it's from my gift from Sephora. This is one of them, and we have a wear and we have a wash. There's a seam down it, so the bag is divided into half with each of them have their own zippers up on top. Is it for underwear? Do you put dirty underwear in here then whenever you have to wash it, and whenever they're done you put it in here? I assume it's for like traveling, right? So is that what I do, is I put all my clean underwear in here whenever I'm using them, they go into here? That's gonna be my guess. If there's anything else, like underwear, bras, I mean, I guess you could do like little shorts and stuff too. And I got this with its own zipper, and I don't know what to put in here either, just because. So if you can help me, if there's anything other than just undies, and what would be the very bestest thing to stick in this one.